Hey there, DIY warriors. Got a car? Got some oil? Got no idea what to do with it? Don't worry, I got you. Today, we're changing engine oil like a boss. Let's roll. Alright, before you turn into a car whisperer, here's your toolkit. You'll need fresh engine oil. Check your car manual for the right type, an oil filter, a wrench, an oil pan, a funnel, some gloves unless you like your hands smelling like a tractor, and a jack if your car's too low. And no, not the guy named Jack. Start your engine and let it run for about 5 minutes. Just enough to warm up the oil, not boil it. Warm oil flows better, just like me after coffee. Turn it off, park it flat, and make sure your handbrake is on, because runaway cars are only fun in movies. Time to get a little dirty. Slide under the car, find the oil drain plug. It's like the belly button of your engine. Place the oil pan under it and unscrew the plug. Careful, that oil's hot and fast, like a gossipy neighbor. While that oil's doing its dramatic exit, find your oil filter. Twist it off. Yeah, it might fight you a bit, and let the leftover oil drip into your pan. Now take the new filter. Rub a little fresh oil on the rubber gasket. It's like giving it a spa day before duty calls. Once everything's drained, screw the drain plug back in tight, but not Hulk tight. Pop your hood, unscrew the oil cap, and pour in the new oil like you're topping off a smoothie. Use a funnel unless you enjoy slippery engine covers. Start the engine for a minute to let the oil cycle through. Then turn it off and wait a few minutes. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it, dip it again, and check that level. If it's good, you nailed it. And boom, you just changed your engine oil like a pro. Your car loves you more now. Go ahead, give yourself a victory snack. You earned it. If you like this, hit that follow button. More everyday mastery tips coming your way. Until then, stay greasy in a good way.